What up, guys? Master Ninja here, coming at you live and loud. Today we are looking at the King of Monsters. Yes, the King of Kings. The King of Vita Repulsa's army. The King Spinx. Honestly, it's a figure. I'm just telling in the box alone. The box comes in the standard Power Rangers Lightning Collection style box. And yeah, that's it. Really. Nice product shot of King Spinx. Great picture. Product shot in the back. But honestly, it's not bad. Let's go ahead and go into the close-up shots and let's go ahead and really get a good look at this guy. Alrighty, King Spinx. And I must say, this figure, the packaging does not look too bad. He looks great. And like I was saying earlier, it doesn't look bad at all. Personally, I was actually going to pass on the Lightning Monster Collection. But I found him down at GameStop. I had a coupon, so I was like, you know what? I'll go ahead and just grab him. And this line also has Pumpkin Rapple. I'm gonna be honest with you. If I can find Pumpkin Rapple for a good price, I may get him, but he may be a pass. So that's it for the packaging. And let's go ahead and unbox him. So the King out of his packaging, and he looks not bad, honestly. Size comparison. Let's go ahead and bring in the 2020 Hasbro Megazord. And let's also go ahead and bring in, let's get him over. The Dragonzord. Dragonzord wins. Alright. One more size comparison while we're at it. Go ahead and bring in Vita Repulsa's right hand man himself. Go to, oh my. Okay, this ain't right. This ain't cool. I knew the monster lines were going to be a little bit bigger, but are we going to go a third Godot release that matches the monster line? Honestly, please don't. Hasbro, why didn't you just make the monster line in scale with everything else? Or originally made Godot bigger. I mean, you guys re-released him as we-released him. This is the GameStop exclusive one. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and bring in Vita Repulsa herself. So, yeah. With King Spinx a little bit bigger than the rest of the monsters, this is why I was going to pass on, because he's just out of scale. It's ridiculous. I mean, he's not big enough to be compatible with the Megazord you guys release, but yet he's too big. He's bigger than the other monsters. He's bigger than Godot. And those guys stand neck to each other. Quality control, please, for Christ's sakes, Hasbro. I mean, whose idea was it to make the monsters bigger? Granted, the monsters are usually bigger, but yeah, I don't care for that. I could bitch and moan about this, but let's go ahead and get it out of the size comparison. Let's go ahead and talk about his accessories. Like I said, his accessories, he comes with his staff. Let's go ahead and put it in his hand. His joints are as tight as the rest of the Lightning Collection line. Comes with the articulations you would expect. Arms, waist, pelvic, neck, head, all around. And even his tail gets some action. Doing. So with that said, all around, for a standalone figure, he looks actually not that bad. He doesn't look really that bad. Honestly, what I would probably do if it was me, I'd rather have him be a little more smaller and a little more, and just a little bit more color. I mean, you can see all these great little grooves in his rings. Like, it's supposed to have like some paint though. It looks like he's missing a lot of paint. I'd like maybe a little more shade. Maybe his mouth filled it, actually painted. So, do I highly recommend picking up the King Spinx figure? Honestly, not really. I really feel like he could have been so much more. But like if you're gonna make him big enough to fight a Megazord. If not, let's keep the monster line in scale with the Rangers. So with that said, this has been the Masked Ninja, and I will give the monster line a meh. Peace.